Hello friends, hi, I'm Santosh Kumar, technology coach. Today we will discuss about ISTQB testing terminology. It will useful for while writing any ISTQB certification.
ISTB testing glossary. Entry criteria. The set of conditions for officially starting a defined task. Environment model. An abstraction of the real environment of a component or system, including other components, processes, and environment conditions in a real time simulation. Epic. A large user story that cannot be delivered as defined within a single iteration or is large enough that it can be split into smaller user stories. Equivalence partition. A subset of the value domain of a variable within a component or system in which all values are expected to be treated the same based on the specification. Equivalence partition coverage. The coverage of equivalence partitions. Equivalence partitioning. A black box test technique in which test cases are designed to exercise equivalence partitions by using one representative member of each partition. Equivalence manual test effort. Effort required for running tests manually. Error. A human action that produces an incorrect result. Error casing. A test technique in which tests are derived on the basis of the tester's knowledge of past failures or general knowledge of failure modes. Error tolerance. The degree to which a component or system can continue normal operation despite the presence of erroneous inputs. Escaped defect. A defect that was not detected by a testing activity that is supposed to find that defect. Establishing. The phase within the ideal model where the, uh, the specifies of how an organization will reach its destination are planned. The establishing phase consists of the activities, set priorities, develop approach and plan actions. Ethical hacker, a security tester using hacker techniques. European Foundation of Quality Management Excellence Model, a non prescriptive framework for an organization's quality management system defined and owned by the European Foundation for Quality Management, based on five enabling criteria cover what an organization does, and four results criteria covering what an organization achieves. Executable statement, a source code statement that, when translated into object code, can be executed in a procedural manner. Exhaustive testing. Exhaustive testing, a test approach in which the test suite comprises all combinations of input values and preconditions. Exit criteria, the set of conditions for officially completing a defined task. Expected result, the observable predicted behavior of a test item under specified conditions based on its test basis. Experience based test technique, a test technique only based on the tester's experience, knowledge, and initiation. Experience based testing, testing based on the tester's experience, knowledge, and initiation. Expert usability review, and formal and informal usability review in which the reviewers and experts experts can be usability experts or subject matter experts or both. Exploratory testing, an approach to testing whereby the testers dynamically design and execute tests based on their knowledge, exploration of the test item, and results of previous tests. Extreme programming, a software engineering methodology used within agile software development whereby core practices are programming in pairs, doing, doing extensive code review, unit testing of all code, and simplicity and clarity in code. Failed. The status of test the status of a test result in which the actual result does not match the expected result. Failover. The backup operational mode in which the functions of a system that becomes unbelievable are assumed by a secondary system. Failure. An event in which a component or system does not perform a required function within specified limits. Failure mode. The physical or functional manifestation of a failure. Failure mode and effect analysis. A systematic approach to risk identification and analysis of identifying possible modes of failure and attempting to prevent their occurrence. Failure rate. The ratio of the number of failures of a given category to a given unit of measure. False negative result. A test result which fails to identify the presence of a defect that is actually present in the test object. False positive result. A test result in which a defect is reported although no such defect actually exists in the test object. Fault injection. The process of intentionally adding defects to a system for the purpose of finding out whether the system can detect and possibly recover from a defect. Fault injection is intended to mimic failures that might occur in the field. Fault seeding. The process of intentionally adding known faults to those already in a component or system to monitor the rates of detection and removal and to estimate the number of faults remaining. Fault seeding tool. A tool for seeding that is intentionally inserting faults in a component or a system. Fault tolerance. The degree to which a component or system operates as intended despite the presence of hardware and software faults. Fault tree analysis. A technique used to analyze the causes of faults defects. The technique visually models how logical relationships between failures, human errors, and external events can combine to cause specific faults to disclose. Feature-driven development. An iterative and incremental software development process driven from a client valuable functionality feature perspective. Feature-driven development is mostly used in agile software development. Field testing. A type of testing conducted to evaluate the system behavior under productive connectivity conditions in the field. Finding. A result of an evaluation that identifies some important issue, problem, or opportunity. Firewall. A component or set of components that controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. High Knowledge Hub. Never miss a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for the personal development, software QA, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data, leadership training.